Learn vegetables vocabulary in English. Cucumber. Cucumber. Lettuce. Lettuce. Mushroom. Mushroom. Pea. Pea. Olive. Olive. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Potato. Potato. Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Radish. Radish.
Red chili. Red chili. Spring onion. Spring onion. Sweetcorn. Sweetcorn. Green bean. Green bean. Green chili. Green chili. Garlic. Garlic. Cress. Cress. Courgette. Courgette. Celery. Celery. Cabbage. Cabbage. Broccoli. Broccoli. Aubergine. Aubergine. Asparagus. Asparagus. Artichoke. Artichoke. Beetroot. Beetroot. Carrot. Carrot. Kola. Kola. Manioc. Manioc. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Lotus roots. Lotus roots. Ash plantain. Ash plantain. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Tender jackfruit. Tender jackfruit.
Agati leaves. Agati leaves. Amaranth leaves. Amaranth leaves. Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola. Water spinach. Water spinach. Mint leaves. Mint leaves. Spinach. Spinach. Null coal. Null coal. Leeks. Leeks. Lemongrass. Lemongrass. Onion. Onion. Black gram. Black gram. Chickpeas. Chickpeas. Drumstick. Drumstick. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Green grams. Green grams. Long beans. Long beans. Doll. Doll. Lady's finger. Lady's finger. Soybean. Soybean. Semolina. Semolina. Ash pumpkin. Ash pumpkin. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Brinjal. Brinjal. Cucumber. Cucumber. Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Thai eggplant. Thai eggplant. Capsicum. Capsicum. Chili. Chili. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Banana blossom. Banana blossom.